Hi there, Dr. Dave here, and it's time to rise and whine. A friend of mine posted a recipe on Facebook that included the unexpected but glorious use of peanut butter. And a mutual friend posted very few recipes are not improved by the use of peanut butter. And I thought, not only is that true, but it's sort of profound. And I was thinking about how that applies to everyday life. What are the things that I do or that I include that I have found make a day better and improve it? And there were two things that I thought of right away. One of those is laughing, that the inclusion of laughter in a day makes it better, whether it's a good thing that's happening or a bad thing that's happening. Laughter seems to improve it. Yesterday, I was at a store that I go to pretty frequently, and as I was walking towards the register, another customer kind of ran in front of me with, of course, 65 items while I was holding one, and put them down on the counter. And the cashier said to the customer, "Do you have a rewards card?" And the customer said, "I do, but it's out in my car and I don't feel like getting it." And the cashier said, "Do you have a telephone? You have a telephone number associated with the account, because you can enter that, and that'll work too." And the customer got upset and said, "I don't want to enter my telephone number. I'm not going to do that." And cashier said, "Okay," rings up the first item, and the customer looks at the price that flashes up on the screen and says, "Well, this is supposed to be on sale." And the cashier said, "It is on sale if you have the rewards card." And I know this cashier from going in the store frequently, and every time this customer had one of these small outbursts, the cashier would turn from the customer to me and go like that, and then turn back to the customer. It made me laugh. It was just something funny happening in this situation that was otherwise, mildly irritating. I'm sure you can relate to that. The second thing that I have found improves a day, is sort of the other peanut butter that improves my daily life anyway, is learning something. And it doesn't have to be something profound. And it might not even be something I was specifically looking for. There's sort of two ways that I've encountered or done this. One is that if I'm reading the newspaper in the morning, I will try to read something that I'm not typically interested in and see if there's something new that I can learn from that. The second thing is, if I'm looking for something specific on YouTube to learn how to do, oftentimes I will see another video, maybe not even related to the one that I was watching, that has some interesting, cool, or useful tip in it. I don't care whether it's how to start a fire using Fritos as some of your kindling, or how to get the last bit of toothpaste out of a toothpaste tube. It doesn't even have to, like I said, doesn't have to be profound. It's just some learning tends to improve the day. I don't know what the peanut butter is in your daily life that improves the day, but feel free to post it as a comment below. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for spending a minute of it with me.